Hi friends, this is Bilal Heather. In this video part, we are going to learn about if-elsif conditional statement. Alright. In last video, we learned about conditional statements where we discussed what to do when we have one possibility and we write a condition for that and a conditional statement for that and do task if that condition is true. But what if we want what if we have many possibilities, more than one possibilities, and we want to do only one action based upon the possibility? So let me describe it about what I mean. So let's create a variable temperature of water equals 10 degrees. Okay, so let's say we are given a device which is spitting out its temperature value every 5 seconds. All right, and we are getting that temperature value as input to this variable. All right, and what we need to do, we need to notify our user about its temperature, the temperature of that device. Let's say it's a device that boils water, or maybe boils some chemicals, or do some crazy thing in it. But what we are provided it with, that it is spitting out a value every 5 seconds, and we are feeding that value to this variable. All right, now our task is to create a simple app for that, which notifies us if the temperature is above 20 degrees, above 50 degrees, about 100 degrees, about 200 degrees. So that is our task, and we need to do it using if-else conditional statements. So let's do it. If temperature of water is greater than or equals to 20, puts temperature is now 20 degrees. All right, else if temperature of water is greater than or equals to 50, puts temperature is now 50 degrees. One more, else if temperature of water is greater than or equals to 100, puts temperature is now 100 degrees. And okay, let's test it, and then I will explain it to you what I mean. So ruby main.rb, because the temperature was 10, it didn't display us anything. So let's create one more else condition, and let's say temperature is normal. Okay, let's say if temperature is less than 20 degrees, then we consider it a normal temperature. Let's now execute it. Now it says temperature is normal, and let's see it changed to 25 degrees. Temperature changed to 25 degrees. Now if we execute this, it is saying us temperature is now 20 degrees. All right, let me greater than, that will make it accurate. Okay, because we are using greater than or equals to, so this statement is true from the value 20 up to 49. Okay, all right, now let's clear it out. Temperature is greater than 20 degrees. That's cool, isn't it? Now let's change temperature of water to 100. Let's make it 100 and let's execute this, and it's still showing us 20 degrees. So this is a logical mistake in our code, and we are going to fix this. Whenever you are writing else if conditions like that, you want to make sure the bigger value is at the top. All right, so we will do 100, 50 and 20. So if your conditions are consisting upon greater than or equals to condition, then you want to make sure that your biggest number is at the top, then the smaller number and the smallest number. If you have 10 conditions, you will do the same thing. But if it's your condition says less than or equal to, then you want to make sure that the smallest value is on the top, at the top. Now let's go ahead and try it once more time. Temperature is greater than 20 degrees. Now also need to fix the messages. Now let's try it one more time. So now it should be fine. Alright, so temperature is greater than 100 degrees. Now let's change it to 35 and temperature is greater than 20 degrees. So now it's correct, it's showing us correct results. So this was pretty much a one example out of millions of examples where you can use else if conditional statement. Okay, so anytime where you have more than one possibilities and you need to deal with all of the conditions one by one, then you might want to use if-elsif conditional statement. Okay, so if it's less than, if it's 10, then it will show us temperature is normal. All right, so this is the default condition. If none of these above conditions is true, none of these condition is true, then it will execute this part of this if-elsif conditional statement. All right, so this was pretty much all about if-elsif conditional statement. I hope you liked it, and if you like my video, show some thumbs up and like and share this video. See you next time. Bye bye.